Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, Spectra AI, GreenShift AI, and Elementor AI, but there's one WordPress AI plugin that quietly became free and almost nobody is talking about it. It's called Bertha AI. And honestly, this might be the most underrated AI writing and image tool inside. This thing can write full landing pages, generate long-form blog posts, create SEO copy, brainstorm ideas, and even produce images, all without leaving Gutenberg or Elementor. So today, I'm going to show you why Bertha AI went from just another AI tool to potentially the best free AI writer for WordPress in 2025. So what exactly is Bertha AI? Bertha is a WordPress native AI writing assistant that works directly inside your favorite builders. When I say it works everywhere, I mean everywhere. Gutenberg, Elementor Bricks, Oxygen, DV Classic Editor, even inside WooCommerce product fields, wherever you can type text, Bertha can generate it. And it's not just basic copy. Bertha can create full landing pages, high conversion headlines, product descriptions, long-form blog posts, SEO, meta descriptions, email copy, social media posts, FAQ sections, brand messaging hand. Here's the part nobody talks about. Bertha also includes AI image generation directly inside the editor, so you can create blog images, hero images, or product visuals on the fly. But the biggest update, and honestly why Bertha is trending again, is that it now has a free tier that's actually usable, not a tiny trial, a real free plan. Most AI plugins today are focused on layout and visuals, Spectra AI, GreenShift AI, Extendify AI. But Bertha is different. Bertha is a content generator built for speed. If you need words, ideas, or images instantly and without leaving WordPress, this plugin was designed exactly for that. Let me show you how Bertha actually works in real life, because this is where it gets impressive. First, open any page or post in WordPress. It doesn't matter if you're using Gutenberg, Elementor, Bricks, or DV. Bertha shows up everywhere. Step 1. Highlight any text, select any sentence or empty area where you need help. Then click the little Ask Bertha button that appears. Step 2. Choose what you want Bertha to do. You get a clean list of AI actions, including rewrite, make it clearer, shorter, or more engaging, can turn a sentence into a paragraph, summarize, reduce fluff, and keep the meaning, tone change professional, casual, friendly, bold, etc. SEO, optimize, tighten keywords, and structure. You can literally fix or improve any part of your writing without leaving the page. For full landing pages, this is where Bertha shines. Open the Bertha sidebar and select Write Full section. Add a prompt, like Homepage Hero for a local fitness coach who wants a bold and motivational tone. Bertha instantly generates full hero copy, feature list, about section, service descriptions, hash calls to action, benefit-focused bullet points. It basically builds the content of an entire landing page ready to paste, style, or adjust. And the best part, it feels like having a real copywriter built directly into WordPress. Instead of switching between ChatGPT, your notes, and the editor, everything happens in one place, in real time. Bertha isn't just a writing tool, it also comes with built-in AI image generation. And this part honestly surprised me with how smooth it is to use it. Just click the AI image button. A small window pops up. You type in your prompt, something like minimal flat style illustration of a SaaS dashboard in bright colors, hit generate, and within a few seconds, Bertha gives you fully licensed images that drop directly into your WordPress media library. No extra tools, no downloading files, no dragging between tabs. Everything appears instantly where you need it. What the image generator is perfect for: blog posts, thumbnails, custom header or hero images, section illustrations for landing pages, social media graphics. No copyright issues, visuals for client projects. If you build WordPress sites for clients, this is a huge time saver. And here's the key line. This makes Elementor and Gutenberg build so much faster. No tabs, no downloads. It keeps you in the flow, and honestly, it makes WordPress feel way more modern. Now let's talk about the two things people really care about in an AI writer: design quality and copy quality, or basically, how good the output actually is. Copy quality. Bertha's writing style is surprisingly solid. It leans clean, direct, and very business-friendly. It's not overly robotic, and it doesn't try to be overly clever either. It just delivers usable, on-brand text right away. Expect things like clear messaging, strong calls to action, straightforward feature descriptions, tone options that actually make sense. It's not trying to be a creative novelist. It's trying to help you ship content fast. What it's best for, Bertha, absolutely shines when you're creating websites, landing pages, service pages, email style, promotional content, anything where you need tight, structured, conversion-friendly copy. Bertha nails it with minimal editing. Where it's less strong, it's not perfect for long storytelling articles. Deep technical writing, research-heavy content, TET can do them. But other AI tools handle those long-form tasks better. And here's the key line you'll want to say. It's simple, fast, and gets you 80% of the way instantly. For a free tier tool, that's honestly impressive. Alright, here are the best features of Bertha AI, and honestly, this is where it pulls ahead of most WordPress AI plugins. 1. Works across almost every builder: Elementor, Bricks, Divi, Oxygen, you name it. No other AI plugin has this level of compatibility. It just shows up wherever you write. 2. AI blog post writer with a single prompt. Bertha can outline, write, and refine full blog posts. It's not perfect for long storytelling, but for standard posts. Superfast. 3. AI landing page generator. This one's slept on. It builds full sections with headlines, feature lists, benefits, and seed. Perfect for agencies and freelancers who need quick client drafts. 4. Image generator. Right inside the WordPress media library, no external tools needed. Hero images, thumbnails, illustrations, all generated instantly. 5. Rewrite, expand tools, highlight, any text click. Ask Bertha, choose, rewrite, expand, summarize, tone shift, SEO optimize. It's one of the fastest workflow tools inside. WordPress. 6. SEO assistant. Meta titles, meta descriptions. Keyword-focused rewrites all without opening a separate SEO tool. 7. Free tier with actual value, which is rare. This is the big surprise. You can actually use Bertha for real projects without paying. Most plugins cap the free tier so hard it's useless. Not here. Alright, as good as Bertha AI is, it's not perfect. Here are the real limitations you should know before you install it. 1. Not a layout. Builder Bertha doesn't create sections, columns, or layouts the way GreenShift or Spectra do. It writes the content, you still have to design the page. 2. No advanced design features if you're expecting animations, motion effects, or Webflow style visuals. Bertha doesn't touch visuals beyond generating images. The design control stays in your hands. 3. Free tier has writing limits. Yes. It's generous, but not unlimited. After heavy use, you'll hit the cap and need credits or a paid plan. 4. Image generator quality varies. Some prompts look amazing. Some look AI-ish. It's good for simple illustrations and thumbnails, but not a mid-journey replacement. 5. Copy can feel generic if your prompt is weak. Bertha follows your inputs closely. If you give it a vague prompt, you'll get vague copy. You still need to guide it and refine the output. Now let's put Bertha AI in context, because this is where people get confused. These AI tools are not trying to do the same job, and that's actually a good thing. Bertha AI, best for writing plus image generation strength, fast, clean content creation inside WordPress. If you need headlines, landing page sections, blog posts, and images without leaving the editor, Bertha is unmatched. Spectra AI best for layouts plus quick sections. Spectra gives you pre-built layouts and AI-generated sections that look clean and beginner-friendly. GreenShift AI best for animations plus next-level design. GreenShift is for power users. If you want micro-interactions, motion, and advanced styling, this is the one. Extendify A best for planning plus full-page concepts. Extendify thinks through your structure. It's like an AI content strategist that builds page blueprints. These plugins aren't competing, they're different tools. Each one fills a different gap, and Bertha is the one you choose when content, copy, and images matter most. If you want the best free AI writer that actually lives inside WordPress, Bertha AI is the clear winner. It's fast, practical, and incredibly useful if you're building landing pages, service pages, or blogs, And you just need good copy now. For anyone who feels slowed down by writing, Bertha AI removes that bottleneck instantly. Simple, efficient, and surprisingly powerful, this is one plugin every WordPress creator should at least try.